what we have here is a cherry bed that I tore down. I found it at a thrift store, paid $15 for it. There's a previous video on it if you feel like looking at it. It's on my channel. Sometimes when you're working with this real old furniture, the glue back then isn't what it is today. And you can actually pop these apart. Here we go, moment of truth. There you go. Here's one more. Do that again. See how this works. Not bad. Just a little bit of old glue in there. There you go. Now, would you rather have this or a scrap pallet? Pulling nails, you gotta have a metal detector, you're gonna tear up your plane, and who knows what other tools. And by the way, this table saw is unplugged, in case you were wondering. You know what? I think I will just go with that. About 5 inches. We'll make this a real hands-off, simple. Maybe this is almost a beginner recycled project. Nice little pile of usable 3/4 inch cherry boards. Compliments of a thrift store cherry bed. That's just the headboard. I still have all the legs and everything else. I cut that with tape to help this edge. Don't walk away and leave your tape on your finished cuts for 2 or 3 weeks. That glue will adhere if you leave it on there long enough or too long.